Hi guys, perhaps welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my most complimented fragrances that I have in my collection slash my most complimented fragrances of 2025. And I hope you guys are having an amazing start to 2026. All right, let's go ahead and get started with my top most complimented fragrance of all time. I mean, I used to get compliments on this in college. I got compliments when I wasn't in school. I got compliments outside school. I always get compliments on this fragrance, and it's not a shocker. It is the Kayali Vanilla 28. There's just something about her. And if you really want the sillage and all of that, amazing. I think, I forgot her name. I don't think she does YouTube anymore, but she was a fragrance YouTuber slash, well, she did a lot of content. And I remember watching her video way back, like years ago, where she talked about this combo, and it works every single time. It works. It's one of those. I've had this for a while, so the juices have gotten darker, but I'm saying I would walk in a room and everyone would instantly turn their head. You smell so good. What are you wearing? Now this doesn't, in my opinion, last long, at least not this kind. I know they've changed their atomizers, so now it sprays a lot more than just the old bottles, but didn't last very long for me. However, I'm talking guys, girls, head turned. What are you wearing? Or you smell amazing. And yeah, I love this stuff. This is so great. All right, next we have the Bianca Latte. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I had the travel size for the longest because I just could not pull the trigger on getting the full bottle. And I know you're probably gonna be like, what do you mean, girl? It's literally, compared to the other niche fragrances, it's one of the best fragrances to get if you're talking about affordability, right? And that's true, but I just did not, I had the hardest time pulling the trigger on this. But this smells amazing. I love the bottle. People of all age ranges, like when I say all age ranges, like I'm in my 20s, but people that are, you know, still kind of like really young, I'm like mid-20s, so people that are like really much younger, people that are older, like when I say everyone was like, you smell amazing, like what do you have on type thing. So yeah, this one, and I used to have the travel size for the longest. I just now actually got the big bottle, but even with the travel size, compliments. Next I have the YSL Libra Intense. I hope I said that right. I actually ended up re-upping the bottle, so this one is a newer one, but I remember every time I would walk down the hallway or just walk outside and someone smelled this on me, instantly they're telling me how good I smell edible. The dry down of this is really what makes this fragrance. It smells very perfumey, almost too perfumey in my personal opinion when you first spray it. But once it dries down, I mean, really, it smells amazing. And it's really, really good for the winter time. I love wearing it for the winter. I think the other one, the original one, is really, really good for the summer. But this one, the winter time, not to jump scare, I had to change the angle for a little bit. I'm moving on to the next fragrance. Next, I have Kayali Yum Pistachio Gelato, and this is one of the newer ones that I was saying that has a different atomizer. Help me. Yeah, this was the one I was saying that when you spray it, it's almost like it sprays 3 in 1 compared to the other spray bottle. But this one in the summertime, it hits different, okay? And I also have the Brooklyn Body Butter one that matches the pistachio. It just hits different. I mean, it really, really hits different. And I get compliments from almost every single age range, older than me, younger than me. It is just a good fragrance. For me personally, I think it's probably the most long-lasting Kayali fragrance that I've personally experienced. I think it lasts a good time, but it has pistachio gelato, sweet rum, whipped cream, marshmallow, cotton candy. That's one of like the top notes, so it really smells so, so good. I have worn it during the colder seasons, but I think it really it really just pops out that you smell edible when you wear it, like in the summer, springtime. Hit, not a miss. All right, next, no one's gonna be shocked. I feel like this is always a crowd favorite. It is the Tom Ford Ombre Leather. This in the winter time. This in the winter time. Cookie edible, like snuggle in your neck edible. Like, it is so good. I never thought that a leather scent would smell so good, but I'm telling you, I wouldn't recommend wearing it in the summertime because bees really think that you're food, okay? Bees really think that you're something to eat during the summer or springtime. Don't try it. But the winter time, this just hits different. But yes, I've had people ask me, like, what are you wearing? How do you smell that good? One of my friends one time, she was just like, you always smell good. And it smells like a different scent every time, but it always smells good. This one's really good. I really enjoy a lot of Tom Ford scents, and I know Tom Ford also gets the talk, well, he used to get the talk of the town of it didn't last, but this one, if you're looking for a Tom Ford fragrance that actually lasts on your skin, of course, proper moisturizing, this one's really, really good. And I used to wear it so much, and I used to get complimented all the time, and it was one of those scents where when you walk in a room, people are trying not to look at you because you have that on. You know, I don't know where y'all live, but I know where I live, it's really, really hard to get compliments on fragrances because people are just kind of like, oh, she smells good, but I'm not gonna say anything. And if a guy's not trying to talk to you, he's probably not gonna say anything, but he'll probably look, you know what I mean? So yeah, but even with this one, I still got compliments. All right, my next most complimented fragrance, I honestly am so sad that I'm running out of this. All right, it is the Giorgio Armani C, and it's the, I forgot the exact name. This one is out of stock now, discontinued, I believe. Y'all, this one smells like rose petals and fluff. Like, I don't even know how to explain what a fluffy cloud smells like, but this one smells so good. It stays on your skin. It is just another one that's a crowd favorite. People of all age ranges have given me compliments on this fragrance, and I used to wear it so much to the point where I would walk in a room and people would be like, oh, it's summer in the room because it smells amazing. And oh my goodness, y'all. Yeah, I don't think you can find this anywhere, but if you can, it is really, really good, and it smells even better over time. Like, I've had this one for a while, and I think I actually got it at a discontinued price, but to me, almost all of the C collection is really, really good, but this one I got the most compliments for. All right, next we have Good Girl, and just the regular Good Girl. I know it's not a shocker, but this is just one of those ones, those OGs, that if you wear this, people are gonna turn their heads, people are gonna look. It smells really good. It really does. Now, I'm not gonna lie, if you apply, to me personally, if you reapply this too frequently, you will start to smell a little bit like outside, a little bit like outside. But this one, I remember when I first got it and I had no idea how to spray it. I wanted this fragrance so bad. By the way, I have a whole video comparing a lot of the fragrances. I don't have like the super, super new ones, so make sure to check that out if you guys are interested in that. But yeah, y'all, I still just think this is one of the best spray bottles that you could possibly have for a perfume, and I'm to here with it. But y'all, I used to spray this stuff all over like crazy, and people would compliment, of course. And I know this is more, to me personally, it's more like a nighttime scent, like going out, but I used to wear this in the daytime. I used to wear this everywhere, church, everywhere, you name it. I used to wear this stuff, and I used to compliment it. So yeah, I don't really like I used to, but this definitely, I have to include this in the list. All right, next we have Jimmy Choo. Now, it's just something, this fragrance is so simple in a way, but it's just something about the fruity scents when the dry down of this, that just gets people. And then people are always like, oh my gosh, you smell so good, or you smell so fruity, or what do you have on? And by the way, I'm not a gatekeeper. If someone asks me what I'm wearing, I always tell them. I'm never like, you're not gonna know. Let me know. Do you tell people if they ask you what fragrances do you have on, do you let them know? But I always let people know. My next most complimented fragrance is Delina. I mean, to the point where random girls have said to me, what do you have on? I need to know. It smells incredible. Like, I've never smelled anything that smells this good. And I do have the little baby size because y'all, they don't went up on the price. They done went up on the price. Yeah, what's going on with that? I have no idea. But well, I know what's going on. I'm in America. Anyways, but this, it smells really, really good. Another one that I used to use the travel size for the longest, but I still got the compliments and all of that, but I finally ended up getting a little bottle of the Delina. So now we have Nishane 100 Silent Ways. This one, again, I don't think too many people will be shocked. This is a really, really good fragrance. It's a really good fragrance. And I personally will wear it in the winter time. I'll wear it in the springtime. You name it, I'm wearing it, right? So, but this one just, I always get looks like, you know, like what? Like head follows when I'm wearing this scent. I think it is so nice to dry down. It lasts so long. And I finally got a full bottle of it. So I'm super, super excited about this. Okay, I think this is the last one I'm gonna have on the list. And it is the Gold Fresh Couture. Y'all, this bottle is so cheap, or at least it was when I got it. It was like $45. I would walk out of my room, and if people were coming by, like I would walk out of my place, and if people were walking by, I kid you not, they were like, you smell amazing, because I know it's not this. I know it's not the scent of the hallway. I know it's not the scent of walking. You smell amazing. And I've given about 2 girls that have asked me about what I'm wearing when I was wearing this. It doesn't last as long for me, and I've dropped it a bit, but this is like my typical go-to fragrance if I just want something, if I just want to smell good, but I don't want to, you know, pull out my Delina, and I don't want to pull out 100 Silent Ways, or if I don't want to do any of that, I wear this. I wear this, and it gets it every time, and it's just something quick. I wish this kind of, I said that Good Girl was one of the best bottles, but I honestly love this type of spray bottle consistency. But you take it off and you spray it. But it would be so cool if it sprayed like that. But yeah, this is my go-to fragrance. I love this. I don't think it lasts long, like I said, but I really, really do enjoy it. And if you want a crowd favorite, again. All right, I wanted to mention cologne. So they so kindly, the cologne so kindly sent me 2 fragrances to share and talk about. So this one, it's Rouge Vel, and it really smells like Baccarat Rouge. But the amazing thing is, it doesn't cost so much money, which is great. I would really love for them to make the extract one, the one that's kind of like a little bit sweeter, the red one. I would love for them to make a dupe for that one, because this one is like, it smells just like it, and it lasts a good bit of a time. And I want to show you guys one with the packaging. So this is what their packaging looks like. This one's called Naked Cherry, and it says on the box what fragrance it's inspired by. So this one is inspired by Lost Cherry, Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. This one smells like Lost Cherry, but a little bit of the bitterness away from, because I think Lost Cherry has like a little bit of bitter to it, so I feel like this one kind of takes it away. But yeah, I just wanted to share that. I'm so thankful. Thank you so much for sending me this. I honestly hope I get more scents of theirs, because I love a good dupe. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The bottles are so aesthetically pleasing. Alright guys, so that is all for my most complimented fragrances. Please comment down below if you guys like any of these fragrances, or tell me some of your most complimented fragrances. I would love to know. And again, please feel free to check out some of my other fragrance content if you guys are more into the fragrance things. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.